In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a Shopify page template. We'll walk through this together step by step, so you can quickly create a new template that's based on one you already like, and then customize it without affecting the original. First, log into your Shopify dashboard. Once you're on the main admin screen, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. Find the option labeled Online Store and click it. This will open the section where all of your themes are listed. At the top, you should see your current live theme. Next to that active theme, click the option that says Edit Theme. This will take you into Shopify's theme editor, where you can preview and customize how your store looks. Inside the theme editor, look toward the top of the screen for the page selector. By default, it usually shows Homepage because that's the first page the editor loads. Click on that page selector to open a drop-down list. Here, you can switch to different parts of your store, like product pages, collections, or other templates. From this drop-down, choose the type of page whose template you want to duplicate. For example, if you want to duplicate your collections template, select Collections. Once you select it, the editor will load the current template for that type of page. Now, stay in that same area of the editor and scroll to the bottom of the list of available templates for that page type. There, you should see a button labeled Create Template. Go ahead and click that button. This is where Shopify will let you create a new template that's either blank or based on an existing one. A pop-up window will appear. At the top of this pop-up, give your new template a clear, descriptive name so you can easily recognize it later. Under that, you'll see a field labeled Based On. Click the drop-down in that field and choose the existing template you want to duplicate. This tells Shopify to copy the layout and settings from that original template. Once you've selected the base template, click the Create Template button at the bottom right corner of the pop-up. The page will reload, and you'll now be viewing your brand new template inside the theme editor. From here, you can safely customize it, knowing your original template remains unchanged.